Black Friday is in just 10 days. And your marketing team just came up with a brilliant idea that could generate $2 million in extra revenue this season. You got so excited about that, and you called for an urgent meeting with your development team. But they told you they need at least 4 weeks to build it, integrate it with your commerce system, and then test it, deploy it, and go live? You're so disappointed with that answer. And you just wish you have a magical way to poof, convert your design into code instantly. What if I told you that there is that magical way? Introducing Kajoo. Kajoo is an AI-powered, no-code platform that can convert Figma designs into enterprise-level code in minutes rather than weeks. It gives your marketing team the full power to build amazing websites and landing pages with zero coding. It allows you to integrate with your existing commerce and CMS systems visually and in minutes with a few clicks. It empowers your team to deliver 10 times faster, so you never have a Black Friday problem again. We know that we can disrupt the $5.8 billion no-code market that Gartner projected and fill in the 4 million developers gap worldwide. We proudly onboarded 250 companies into the platform to date, including L'Oreal International, Deloitte Digital, which is expected to save around or at least $1.5 million in development costs in the first year alone using Kajoo. With Kajoo, you can achieve faster time to value, reduce cost, increase ROI, and crush it on Black Fridays. Thank you so much for your time and attention.
Love the logo. All right, who's starting?
Great presentation. I really like the go-to-market strategy with the players mentioned on your slides. I think it'll be very important to continue with that. I also just want to validate the problem statement in that there is a big need for what you're doing, and that getting in line for the developer queue when you want your project done is something that all organizations face. Financial services, engineering, sales, they all are relevant, so you're capturing a huge market, and I think I just want to make it very clear to everyone that it's really true versus problems that are often not. Yeah, excellent job.
Yeah, thanks. Love the presentation, love the energy as well. And echoing what James is saying as well, I think what was great as well as the fact that you specified as well that someone like in marketing can use this, so someone who really doesn't need to have any type of developer background, because a lot of the time some of these you have to still go through developers or data scientists, and the go-to-market can be difficult in that realm. So a really interesting approach, and going through anyone essentially within the enterprise can use it. I think on that point, would have loved to know or hear a bit more on some concrete use cases. So you talked a little bit about Black Friday, but it seems like this could be used for a variety of things. Like a lot of the logos that were on there are outside of retail. So would love to understand a little bit more where you can go with this and how far you can push this, and essentially the broader picture beyond what you're doing right now. So thanks very much.
Yeah, precisely. So great job again. Completely needed. I worked in marketing. I get it. I basically was a marketer and also a low-key web developer as well by necessity. And then so building on that too, it would have been cool to also see how the workflow, like what it looked like to actually use the product. And then the last thing too is plans for integrating more, say, applications above and beyond Figma. I know Figma is a major one, but maybe if you're planning on integrating Canva or anything else, I'd just be curious. But otherwise, much needed. Thank you.
All right, thank you. I really want to thank, we've got a great crowd in here for this, so